In this video, we'll go through the main aspects of point cloud annotation in Supervisely, namely data import, manual labeling tools, AI-powered auto-labeling, and AI auto-tracking on sequences. First, we've got to start with the import process. Supervisely supports most of the popular point cloud formats. For large-scale workflows, point clouds can be imported as links, directly from the cloud storage, without duplicating the data. Point clouds can be organized in two main ways, as standalone scenes or as sequences, which we call episodes. A single point cloud represents one static 3D scene. Episodes, on the other hand, are ordered sequences of point clouds, typically used for time-based data like autonomous driving scenarios. When working with sequences, annotation objects are preserved across all frames and use the same IDs. This distinction is important because sequences unlock additional capabilities like tracking objects across frames. More on that later. Inside the 3D labeling interface, you can start with manual annotation. For example, placing a cuboid around an object in the scene. To speed things up, auto-labeling is available in several forms. You can label objects with a single click, or select an area to generate predictions. When working with sequences, auto-tracking allows you to propagate objects across multiple frames. You can define how many frames to track, and the system handles the rest. We can see the tracks for each instance in the timeline below the main view. For scene understanding, customizable ground segmentation algorithms are available, supporting both instance and semantic approaches. Next, I will cover the photo context, which is a camera image synchronized with LiDAR point cloud. Any annotations created in 3D are automatically projected onto the 2D photo context. At the same time, labeling can be done directly in the 2D view. Every tool that is native to the image labeling toolbox is available for photo context labeling, including the Smart tool with a wide selection of interactive segmentation models. After we've created a segmentation on the photo context, we then can project the created annotation back into 3D using a smart algorithm that filters out the noise and keeps the results clean. And just like that, we've got a 3D cloud segmentation from a related image. Objects can also be refined interactively, for example, adding or removing points from a segmentation. The point cloud labeling toolbox is very customizable. You can change camera settings, apply different color maps to the clouds, sort the clouds by scan index, and many other features. Next, I will do a specialized labeling scenario. First, I synchronize colors from related image to the point cloud. Then, move the main view into the camera position, and use that to annotate the road with a polyline tool. The polyline can be used both as a standalone tool and as a reprojection of the 2D polyline from the photo context. The interface is designed to handle very large datasets efficiently. It supports scenes with tens of millions of points, while maintaining smooth interaction. Even in large point clouds, auto-labeling remains responsive. Objects can be quickly detected, centered, and refined, again using class-agnostic models that adapt to different scenarios. Supervisely also allows teams to integrate custom neural network pipelines into the workflow. This enables domain-specific solutions. For example, specialized segmentation models tailored to unique datasets such as railway infrastructure or industrial environments. The auto-labeling works on this type of data just as well, as the models are class-agnostic and highly customizable. Once annotation is complete, data can be exported to many different formats. Supervisely offers both a cloud-based platform and an enterprise edition designed for secure environments. While the online version provides easy access and flexibility, the enterprise edition is a self-hosted, offline solution built for organizations with strict data security requirements. It allows teams to run the full platform within their own infrastructure, keeping all data private and fully controlled. The platform also provides advanced user and project management, automatic backups, and integration with external systems. Together, this makes Supervisely a complete solution for scalable, secure, and efficient point cloud annotation workflows.